Yeah, I think that'll work. Oh, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're back at it on the trailer, and I think we got this part figured out. Rather than mount it here and have to drill a hole through this structural tongue here, I think we'll mount it here. We'll run the wires right underneath here. I think that'll work good. Okay. Now, we got two down there. One, I think, mount that right there. Okay, we got lots of extra wire here. So, black and red go to black and red on the battery. Green and white go to black and red on the motor. So, we can steal a section of this black wire to ground the box. Okay. There we go. One ground wire. Okay. Those two. That one. Like that. Like that. There. Now, these. Wonder if we got some clips like these. I'll get back to you. Well, I found 1/2 inch and 3/4. I don't know which one will work. Let's try the 3/4. Yeah. That'll work. I think we'll just weld them on like they did. Okay. Okay. right. There we go. Whoops. Try that again. There we go. Got to get the white and the green right so the switch works right. Because it's a reverse polarity, and if we switch the green and the white, then when we want to go up, we're going down, and when we want to go down, we're going up. There we go. Now, the black and the red. Okay, let's test it. We bought a deep cycle battery because a deep cycle is better for what we want. Ground. And positive. Oh, it goes up, goes down, goes up. All right, so now we just have to wire in a battery. Suppose we better paint these. Yeah, that'll slow it down. So I got a box here to put the battery in, but I don't know where the key is. So we're gonna have to drill that lock to get into it. Okay, let's see here. We can drill this lock out. Hey, sweetie. There we go. We got to mount it somewhere under here. I'd like it just like that. Well, I suppose the obvious thing would be to weld it on. We can weld it to the flange here, and on the other side, and probably put a support on the back. Well, that ought to do. All right, fire up the electric caulking gun. Well, that ain't going nowhere. I think we'll paint the box. What do you think? Now we'll let that dry and we'll come back and put the battery in it, the battery disconnect, and then we have to hook up a charge wire. That's right, it's the next day and we're still working on the jacks for our trailer, or wiring them up anyway. We have to build a hold down for this battery. So I think we're gonna do that by wrapping a piece of metal around the battery and bolting it to the back of the box. Yeah. Go. There. There. Perfect. Still a little warm. Oh, we gotta go drill some holes in it. There we go. Oh yeah, that'll work perfect. Oh, barely fit. Be able to get at both sides. That'll work dandy.
I have a question.
What?
You're using my drill. Why are you using my tools?
Well, because yours has a shorter distance between the center and here, so I can get up to the side better.
I know. Yellow is awesome. You just like using them because they're yellow. Just admit it. Just admit it. There's nothing wrong with yellow. Yellow is awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Right about there. Suppose we better paint that. Well, that's drying. We decided to start on the wiring in here a little bit. We have our ground wire to the box. Remember, we grounded our box up there, so we're going to use the frame of the trailer as the ground wire. And we have our wire here. And we're going to put in a battery cutout switch right there.
Got it tight enough?
Huh?
You got it tight enough?
I hope so. Battery disconnect for when the trailer sits. It's on. Do you want to try it out?
Yeah.
Open the switch panel and push the button up. Up. Excellent. It's going up. Oh. Okay. Perfect. Well, it works. It's wired in. We got a battery disconnect for when the trailer sits. We got to put a charge wire on to charge the battery from the truck. But not today, because tomorrow we have to go down to Trollhagen for the last work weekend. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. Oh, I forgot. We got to put a latch on there. There.